Hello guys, we are back with our next tutorial. In this tutorial, let us go through display list guys. Guys, I hope everyone have a small idea on this topic guys. So basically display list is nothing but we will be creating a separate block of code which we will be calling it whenever we require guys. We will be calling it multiple number of times according to our requirement. So if you need a small program on this, it is available in our record guys. Even in I'll be just posting it in the group by tonight guys, don't worry. Okay, so display list. So display list, if you ask me, okay, so here this is a small list guys. In that we have just defined a polygon. Okay, so I will be calling this in a for loop or anywhere so that we can display it multiple number of times. Fine. So now let us go through the theory. After that we'll be just going through the declarations guys. A display list is a group of OpenGL commands that have been stored for later execution. So we can use it whenever you want guys. You can just call it and use it. That's it. So most OpenGL commands can be either stored in a display list or issued for an immediate mode guys. Fine. So you can store most of them in the display lists. So the syntax, we will be following these 4 steps guys. You will be creating the list, you will be writing the required lines of code inside the list, and you will be closing the list, and you will be calling the list whenever it is required. So the syntax will be GL new list in this way, GL end list in this way. Okay, so now let us go through a small block of code with examples so that you'll be having a clear idea. So everyone please go through your record or our record program guys, because in computer graphics, if you write programs, it will be really awesome guys. That's the reason. Okay, so we are defining a box code. So as defined box, GL and GL new list, box, the name of the list is blocks, and it's ready for compilation, and we are just beginning it with a polygon. The color I have just given, I gave 4 vertices. We have ended this block, and after that we have ended our list. So this is the main declaration of the list guys. So our list is created now. So how you will be calling this list? You will be using the function that is GL call list. So for of I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So we are using a for loop guys. So if you are using a for loop, if you display it again and again, it will be displayed on the same place, right? So here you use GL translate some position. Translate is nothing but the next image will be moving a bit side. After that, the next image will be moving a bit side in that way. Okay. So even you can generate multiple lists guys. So by assigning the numbers for particular list. So GL generate list box 2, box 3, box 4. Like that you can generate multiple lists. So I hope everyone got a small idea on this lists and display lists. So in the next tutorial we'll be going through text in OpenGL. In first chapter I told that the text is a bit complex task, right? So that's a bit possible by using these 2 things guys. Those are nothing but raster text and stroke text. This we have discussed, but I just gave you an introduction. Now we'll be going through in depth, and this also in depth guys. So let us meet in the next tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching.